Ethereum is on track to break 1,000 US dollars. It's currently sitting at about $916, up significantly today. We can see on the technicals things are looking super healthy. We're breaking through all of these previous resistance points, so that is good. RSI did dip into overbuying, but what I have noticed in bull markets with crypto, just because RSI dips into overbuying doesn't mean it's ready for an immediate pullback. Usually it could stay in overbuying for a little bit of time, keep gathering steam, and then come back to healthy levels. So overall, I think right now things are looking very healthy on Ethereum. Now, when we're looking at the directional movement index, we can see there's a ton of separation between this green line and this red and pink line. This is signaling a very strong upwards trending market. The closer these lines get to each other, where they're kind of bouncing between one another, that means that it's not as strong as a trend. But the fact that there's so much separation and this red and pinkish line are so separate from the green line is showing that this is a strong upwards trending market. On top of that, vortex indicator, both of these lines going in opposite directions, signaling it's not even close right now, right? When they're close, you could kind of say there's some, that it might pull back, it might do this, might do that. Right now, Ethereum is looking very strong. That being said, will there be a pullback? Yes, but that does not mean that pullback is going to be a bad thing. Right now, we have research showing that 93% of Ethereum addresses have just turned profitable, okay? This might actually be a little bit higher by now because Ethereum's price has risen, okay, since 8.25, so it might be even higher. And I'm not sure exactly how they're determining this. I'm guessing they're just looking at when the Ethereum was bought and then comparing it to its current price. That's likely what they're doing. But right now, the majority of Ethereum addresses are profitable. Personally, I don't think there's going to be too much profit taking yet. I think most Ethereum holders who have been in this for years now, waiting for Ethereum to break past its previous all-time highs, I don't think they're going to be selling just yet, okay? I think Ethereum does have some more room to run, and I really do think it's going to be breaking 1,000 US dollars a lot sooner than most people think. The technicals look strong, the fundamentals are looking strong. Are we beginning to see the beginning of an altcoin rally? Well, let me give you a little bit of history on me. I was involved in crypto back in the previous bull run of 2017, 2018, right? And what I have seen was basically Bitcoin, the money hits Bitcoin first, it goes up, it goes up, it goes up, and then it slows down for a period, and that money starts flowing into the altcoins, right? And then Bitcoin picks up again, goes up, goes up, goes up, and then that money, again, floods back into the altcoin. So right now, we could be seeing the beginning of the first leg of the altcoin rally. But you have to remember, we're still very early in this, right? Ethereum and a lot of your other major altcoins still very early. A lot of the money hasn't even flowed to them yet. We are just beginning to see what could happen. For Bitcoin, we have seen a lot more money flowing into Bitcoin. So I think what's going to happen is exactly like I just said. The money's going to hit Bitcoin, it'll slow down, it flows into altcoins. Then it hits Bitcoin again, it goes up again. It flows into altcoins, and that will likely happen 3, 4, 5 times over the next year in different cycles. This is not financial advice, just my opinion, but that is what I saw in the previous bull run, okay? And I've been doing YouTube for quite a few years now, so I know what I'm talking about. Overall, guys, Ethereum is looking very healthy. It could very easily break 1,000 US dollars. The only thing to really watch is the RSI. We are in overbuying. When that happens, usually it's due for a pullback, but as you can see over here, it didn't just dip into RSI and come right down. We kind of went sideways for a while in RSI, giving multiple days of price going up. So things are looking very good right now for Ethereum. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I want to hear them. Are you buying? Are you selling? What altcoins are you in? Are you in Bitcoin? I want to hear all your investments in the comment section down below. I will catch you next time, and as always, have a great day. There has never been a better time to get a VPN. Right now, PureVPN is giving 62% off of their 1-year plan and 88% off of their 5-year plan if you use my link in the description. That again is 88% off of their 5-year plan and 62% off of their 1-year plan. If you're worried about hackers or intrusive government gathering your personal information, look no further than PureVPN. But you have to act now because this discount will not last. Once again, click the link in the description.